Hello and welcome to this video on the top 3 free programs for structural equation modeling. My name is Geiser, I'm an instructor with QuantFish. In this video I will tell you about my top 3 favorite free programs for estimating path analysis, confirmatory factor analysis and structural equation modeling. And I will begin with number 3 and then work up all the way to the top. And then at the end, I will also tell you about some other programs that are honorable mentions that also are great to use, just not quite as amazing as the first 3 that I'm going to tell you about now. So let's start with number 3. My number 3 most favorite program is LAVAAN, which is a package in the R statistical environment. LAVAAN is a very powerful program that is in many regards just as good as commercial SEM software. In many ways it is similar to Mplus and has similar capabilities as Mplus. It has a very simple syntax that is very easy to learn, and it's readily available for free as a package when you have R. R is also free and it can do a lot more things. Also LAVAAN integrates with a lot of other features in R, so it's a really good option if you're already using R and you're already familiar with how to work with R. Then LAVAAN is a really good option. Now, that being said, LAVAAN is a syntax-based program, and that on the one hand makes it very flexible because you can specify all kinds of different models. However, it also requires you to work with that syntax. Below is an example where I used RStudio to specify a confirmatory factor analysis model, and you can see that it requires some knowledge and some ability to work with code, and that's maybe the one downside. Maybe that's why it's my number 3 and not further up in the list. But altogether, a really great option to use. LAVAAN is a great program that has many capabilities for structural equation modeling and beyond. Now let's go to number 2. My number 2 most favorite SEM software is actually not a software. It is the LAVAAN GUI, which is an online app that you can use directly in your internet browser. So when you Google LAVAAN GUI, you will find this website where you can simply open your data or upload your data and then generate an SEM from a path diagram. And I love that because it does not require me to type code and to remember code and make mistakes with code, because I can just simply import my data and then I can generate a model visually by drawing a path diagram. The drawing options in the LAVAAN GUI are superb. They're really well designed. It's very easy to draw quickly a path diagram. It has great defaults where a lot of the things that you want in a model as the default are already there. So you can use auto-completion or many auto-completion features in the LAVAAN GUI, and it'll give you oftentimes exactly what you want without you having to do much to the path diagram. And you can see here, for example, I generated this quadratic growth curve model and it took me literally maybe 3 minutes to do that, if that. So it's very quick. And then it has all kinds of relevant output that you would want: fit statistics, parameter estimates, standard errors, confidence intervals, standardized solution, modification indices, residuals. So all the things that you would also get directly if you were to use directly LAVAAN in R. And in fact, like the name suggests, the LAVAAN GUI uses LAVAAN in the background. So it also generates the LAVAAN syntax for you, so you can learn how LAVAAN syntax works when you work with the LAVAAN GUI. And that is also great that that is a possibility. I have a separate video, and in fact several videos on the LAVAAN GUI on this channel that you can check out in case you want to learn exactly how this works. It's one of my favorite options because you don't even have to install a software. You just go online, and as long as you feel comfortable uploading your data to this website, you can then simply run your structural equation model within minutes by drawing this path diagram here. Now let's talk about my top choice at the moment, my most favorite free program for confirmatory factor analysis and SEM, and that is Jamovi. Jamovi makes the number one primarily because it is extremely user-friendly and extremely comprehensive. And so not only does Jamovi allow you to use a point-and-click interface like you would in SPSS for most options to specify all kinds of complicated structural equation models, but it also has very, very good comprehensive output options, parameter estimation options. And those include, for example, second-order factor modeling, multi-group modeling, use of missing data, use of robust maximum likelihood estimators, proper estimators for binary and ordinal variables, and then also you can generate a path diagram under this option. You get tables in APA format, so those output tables are really neat because you can pretty much directly use them in a publication because they're already set up in APA style. You get a whole bunch of different fit statistics if you like. You can also obtain composite reliability estimates and other reliability estimates in Jamovi for the factors that are in your model. You can use exploratory SEM. So it has a lot of options that are all available through this point and click interface, and you can set up a complex SEM within minutes and get all the relevant output that you would typically want. So this is my top one for user friendliness. Also, Jamovi has a great module for confirmatory factor analysis separately. You can do confirmatory factor analysis within the interactive SEM module, but also within the factor module. And that is also an option that works great. So Jamovi is my top one because it is, to my knowledge, the only currently available free program that works just like SPSS for structural equation modeling and has so many features. It also uses LAVAAN in the background, so LAVAAN deserves another mention here because it's really the basis for the LAVAAN GUI and also for the Jamovi SEM module, and you can generate and print the LAVAAN syntax so you can learn how that works. So Jamovi, definitely my number one. Check out my video on how to use Jamovi for factor analysis and SEM. I have several different videos on how to do statistics with Jamovi, including one in which I show this interactive SEM module. Now, a few other programs deserve an honorable mention because they are also free and easy to use. One is Onyx. Onyx is a software that also allows you to run a model simply by drawing a path diagram. It's not quite as user-friendly as the LAVAAN GUI, in my opinion, so it's a little bit more tricky and the defaults are not quite as intuitive as they are with the LAVAAN GUI, but it's definitely a good program also. There's also OpenMX, which you can use as well. It's also a free program that's very powerful for structural equation modeling. And then finally, I also like to use JASP. JASP has a great option for confirmatory factor analysis. It does not currently have an option for interactive SEM that is quite as good as the Jamovi option. So you still have to use LAVAAN syntax in JASP in order to generate a full structural equation model. However, if you're not shy, if you're not scared of using LAVAAN syntax for a model, it's simply the model statement that you have to write yourself, then also JASP is a great option for fitting a structural equation model, which has many, many options as point and click that you would probably want to use. I hope you found this video useful to learn about the top 3 free SEM programs. My name is Christian Geiser and I'll see you in the next video.